Welcome to the channel Easy Geography, an easy way to learn geography concepts. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. In this video, we are going to learn about the advocates of major concepts and trends in human geography. Who introduced the concepts, or who was the proponent of this concept, or who was the proponent of this theory? Like these questions are continuously asked in UGC NET exams and have a great chance of being asked in upcoming exams too. Here we are going to learn about these concepts and theories and its advocates. Let's go to the video. First one, the system theory. System theory of analysis introduced by Chorley and Kennedy. Chorley and Kennedy introduced the system theory analysis in human geography. Then areal differentiation by Hartshorne. Areal differentiation by Hartshorne. Scientific determinism by Ratzel. Scientific determinism introduced by Ratzel. Neo-determinism or stop-and-go determinism by Griffith-Taylor. Neo-determinism or stop-and-go determinism by Griffith-Taylor. Behavioral matrix introduced by Praed. Behavioral matrix by Praed. And the locational analysis in human geography by Peter Haggett. Locational analysis in human geography, Peter Haggett. The concept of phenomenology is done by Ralph. Concept of phenomenology by Ralph. Humanistic approach, Ifu Tuan. Humanistic approach, Ifu Tuan. Idealism introduced by Harris and Gilkey. Idealism in human geography by Harris and Gilkey. Welfare approach, D.M. Smith and P.L. Knox. Welfare approach, D.M. Smith and P.L. Knox. Then the term chorology coined by Ferdinand Richthofen. Richthofen coined the term chorology. Lie of primate city introduced by Mark Jefferson. Lie of primate city, Mark Jefferson. Lie of terrestrial unity by Vidal de la Blache. Lie of terrestrial unity, Lablache. Theoretical geography introduced by William Bench. Theoretical geography by William Bench. Models in geography by Richard Chorley. Models in geography by Richard Chorley. Mental maps by Peter Gould. Mental maps, the term mental maps introduced by Peter Gould. Exceptionalism in geography by Schaeffer. Exceptionalism in geography, Schaeffer. Next one, the crop combination analysis done by various scientists. The basic concept was by Weaver. Crop combination analysis done by Weaver. It was the basic concept. Then the Weaver's concept was modified by Dewey. Then the Raffaello also modified the concept and he named it as the new maximum positive method. The crop combination method of Raffaello is known as new maximum positive method. Crop combination method, Raffaello's method is new maximum positive method. The basic concept of crop combination analysis done by Weaver. Then the crop diversification indices done by Fatia and Gibbs and Martins. Crop diversification indices by Fatia and Gibbs and Martins. Then the agricultural location theory by von Thunen. Agricultural location theory, von Thunen. Then the theories of industrial location. Industrial location theories were done by Weber. Least cost theory, Weber. Weber's theory of industrial location known as least cost theory. Then the Hotelling's theory is principle of minimum differentiation. Principle of minimum differentiation by Hotelling. Then the Smith industrial location theory is area cost curve theory. Area cost curve theory by Smith. Then the market area theory of industrial location by Todd Palander. Market area theory of industrial location, Todd Palander. Then the theories of industrial location are least cost theory, principle of minimum differentiation, area cost curve theory, market area theory of industrial location. Least cost theory by Weber, principle of minimum differentiation by Hotelling, area cost curve theory by Smith, then the market area theory of industrial location by Todd Palander. Then the demographic transition model by Thompson and Nottestine. Demographic transition theory, Thompson and Nottestine. Laws of migration by Ravenstein. Laws of migration, Ravenstein. Then the intervening opportunities of migration model by Stauffer. Intervening opportunities migration model, Stauffer. Then the migration transition model by Selinsky. Intervening opportunities of migration model, Stauffer. Laws of migration by Ravenstein. Then the migration transition model by Selinsky. Then the classification of urban center based on growth of civilization by Lewis Mumford. Classification of urban center based on the growth of civilization by Lewis Mumford. Then rank size rule by Swift. Swift introduced the rank size rule. Then the urban land use model done by Burgess. His theory was known as concentric zone theory. Urban land use models. First one, concentric zone theory by Burgess. Then the sector theory by Homer Hoyt. Sector theory, Homer Hoyt. Then the multiple nuclei theory by Harris and Ullmann. Multiple nuclei theory by Harris and Ullmann. And the urban land use models are concentric zone theory, sector model and multiple nuclei theory. In the central place theory by Christeller. Central place theory, Christeller. The Heartland theory by Mackinder. Heartland theory by Mackinder. Then Rimland theory by Spykman. Rimland theory by Spykman. Then the sea power theory by Mahan. The Heartland and Rimland theory, land power. Then the sea power theory by Mahan. Air power supremacy theory, Tversky. Sea power, Mahan. Air power supremacy theory, Tversky. The Heartland and Rimland land power, Heartland theory by Mackinder, Rimland theory by Spykman. The term geopolitics by K. Jelen. The term geopolitics by K. Jelen. The geopolitic by Hochschild. Geopolitic by Hochschild. Geopolitics introduced by K. Jelen. Then the growth pole theory by Perroux. Growth pole theory, the basic theory, growth pole by Perroux. Then the cumulative causation model by Myrdal. Cumulative causation model, Myrdal. Then the theory of growth center and growth axis by Boudeville. Growth center and growth axis, Boudeville. Trickle down and polarization effect theory by Hirschman. Trickle down and polarization effect theory by Hirschman. Then the core periphery model, Friedman. Core periphery model theory, Friedman. Then the stages of economic growth done by W.W. Rostow. Stages of economic growth, W.W. Rostow. The optimum population theory introduced by Edwin Cannon. Edwin Cannon introduced the optimum population theory. The concept of radiant city by Lee Corbusier. The concept of radiant city by Lee Corbusier. The climatic determinism was done by Huntington. Climatic determinism, Huntington. H.H. Barrow considered geography as a human ecology. The term human ecology introduced by H.H. Barrow. Geography as human ecology by H.H. Barrow. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe the channel.